Welcome to 637 Odell Avenue. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-story home in this sought-after North End neighborhood. I'm Kevin Ryan, and I can't wait to show you this property that offers a mix of home and outdoor living. Step inside and you'll find a bright and welcoming main floor, ideal for both family life and entertaining. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a warm and inviting layout with a fantastic living room space, perfect for relaxing with the family or entertaining guests. Natural light pours in, creating a bright, airy atmosphere that instantly feels like home. The spacious kitchen is open to the dining and living areas, making it easy to stay connected with guests or keep eye on the kids. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms, including a lovely primary retreat with ample closet space and an ensuite access. And downstairs, the finished basements adds more value with a 4th bedroom, a cozy rec room, and plenty of flexible space for a home, office, gym, or play area. But the real gem, this backyard with a beautiful in-ground pool, mature landscaping, and a private setting, it's the ultimate summer escape right in your own backyard. 637 Odell Avenue is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle. Beautiful neighborhood, mature trees, and close to school and North End amenities.